Hello everyone, it's Hydrophil here, and today I am back making another video. And this video was actually requested by a lot of people in my last Siege video. I'll put some comments up on the screen, but I had a whole lot of people requesting a video on my background and what wallpapers did I use and how did I get my animated wallpapers. So this is just going to be a quick video on how I get my animated wallpapers pretty much. So first what you want to do is open up Steam right here, and you'll see Wallpaper Engine. That's the title of it. You can search up, it's probably in the title of the video right now. You can search up Wallpaper Engine on the store, and it's $4. It's not free unfortunately, but it is $4. And once you buy it, then you can go to your library, and it's not in games, it's in software. I know a lot of people don't use software, but it's in software on Steam. And you can just start it up right here. I already have it started, so I'm just going to close out of Steam really quick and open up this little toolbar over here and just right click on it and go to change wallpaper. Now if you have multiple monitors, then it'll come up with this little pop-up asking you which monitor you want to use. I'll just use this one because that's the one I'm recording on right now, and I'll click on change wallpaper. So this might be a little overwhelming if you haven't used this software before, and for you, you might have like none of these, you might have only a couple of these. Like I'm pretty sure you start out with this Techno one right here, and you start out with some car one or something, and maybe this Demon Core one, but you won't have most of these. So basically how you get the wallpapers is you have to go to Workshop right here, and then you can just either look through these or you can use the search box right here, and that's how I find all my wallpapers. So I've been playing a lot of Apex Legends recently, and say I want an Apex Legends background, which is a reasonable thing to ask. I'm going to just type in Apex right here in the search bar, and you'll see that there are a whole bunch of Apex Legends backgrounds. And I can just pick any of these. This caustic one looks kind of cool. I'll click subscribe, and it'll just take a second to download, and now I have the caustic one. It's nice and animated, and I got it in like half a second. And you can pick multiple of these. I'll pick this Wraith one right here. Let's see if this one's pretty cool. It'll download really fast on here. It's really nice. And then I'll just instantly choose it. And this one isn't too animated. I think the eyes are glowing a little bit and around the hand. And I'll pick one more just for an example. Let's say I could choose maybe this one. Let's hope that this one is animated. I'm pretty sure they all should be animated, but I'll just take a second to download. It looks like it's pending for some reason. I'm not quite sure why it's pending. Oh, there it goes. Now it's downloading. And in just a second, then it'll go up, and now it's downloaded. And this one is actually the main menu for the game. So now I have all three of these, and I'm going to go back to installed, and I can find these. I have Apex Legends Quarantine, and Apex Caustic. So while it's nice to have one background, sometimes you might want to have like a playlist of them because you don't want to just choose one background because you have all these nice ones that you just found. So to do that, you want to click on this little checkbox right here, and you can check all three of these, and then you can go to settings on the playlist. Now you see change wallpaper on a timer. You can do that, or a time of the day, or when logging in, or whatever. I'm just going to set this timer right here to say 1 minute. So every 1 minute it'll switch, and it's order random, or you can change it to sorted. So I'm pretty sure it'll just go through in order. And change wallpaper when a video ends. There's some video wallpapers, and yeah, that's pretty much how you make a playlist. Now I know some of you might have come here because you just want animated wallpapers, you just want standard wallpapers, but I know a lot of you came here from my Siege video too, and you want to see how I got that background. So basically what I did to get my Siege background is I went to Workshop, and I think I just typed in Rainbow Six Siege. And I'm not sure if I can, yeah, it's actually the first result right here, and this is the one that I have right here, and you'll see it in installed too because I installed it already. And it's just right here. And there are these different types of wallpapers. There's the standard animated ones, and then there are these interactive ones too. So you see I can move my mouse around and the particles move out of the way. That's pretty cool. I have another one that I used for a very long time. It's somewhere around here, and it's basically, yeah, see, Corsair collection. It'll have a nice little effect. Oh, it switched because of the playlist. I guess that shows you how the playlist works. Let me just switch that off really quick. I'll just exit out of this playlist. You see this Corsair one, and it has a nice little effect that follows my mouse around, and it's all nice. So there are these different types of ones too. As you saw earlier, there are also video ones. I don't think I have any video ones in here, but I do have other ones like this fantastic car. This is one that comes with Wallpaper Engine. It's one of the most signature ones, and you can change the colors of the car and everything. I can make it white or whatever. I can make it blue for Hydrophil. There are even other ones like the sheep one over here. If you click on the sheep one, this one comes with Wallpaper Engine, and you can select it, and you can drag these sheep around. It makes some sound too. You can throw them in the water, I'm pretty sure, and you can have a grand old time. So anyway guys, that was the whole video. I know this was a shorter video, but I just wanted to have a video about Wallpaper Engine so I could direct people to it when I get all these comments on my Siege video, and just so people would know how I do it, so I would stop getting so many comments about Wallpaper Engine. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, favorite, and share the video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!